Do you dream of cool ocean breezes and vast, extensive grounds? Top-of-the-line finishes, decorated in luxurious fabrics and gorgeous decor? Then let yourself be carried away with this stunning home in the most desirable part of America's finest city, San Diego. Villa Los Morros, an absolute masterpiece in craftsmanship with bespoke attention to detail, is located in the heart of Rancho Santa Fe Covenant, San Diego's luxurious countryside. Built in 2007, the 8-bedroom, 10-bathroom Mediterranean-inspired home offers over 16,000 square feet of luxurious living space on almost 6 all-usable acres, with sweeping views of its own flourishing vineyards. Behind gates, an olive tree-lined drive leads to motor court surrounded by trees, koi ponds, pathways, and tranquil gardens. This home exudes charm and entertainment options galore. The romantic villa displays unrestrained beauty, craftsmanship, and volume. The well-appointed interiors of the estate feature generous living spaces. The home is ideal for entertaining. It's a striking Mediterranean-style home with ceilings that are bathed in Venetian plaster, with limestone floors and doors that open to gardens in almost every room, seamlessly blending elements of indoor and outdoor living. The home is magnificent enough to entertain in the highest style while maintaining an air of intimacy. A library is covered in wood paneling and coffered ceilings. The master suite has a hand-carved fireplace, along with a private terrace and broad garden views. Downstairs is a game room and a billiard room with a bar, a wine cellar, home gym, as well as a theater with tiered seating for 10. Outside, immerse yourself in the finest of luxurious living. The resort-style grounds include beautiful, lush landscaping, manicured lawns, an infinity-edge pool with water features, and an elevated spa, as well as a cabana with a full-service bar and a built-in barbecue. There's also a putting green, or stroll across a quaint stone bridge to the producing vineyard with over 250 Cabernet Sauvignon vines. A charming winemaker's cottage offers a comfortable bedroom, bath, kitchen, and living area. The home was sold for $9.5 million in April 2022.